Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see the Discord installation has failed error while installing Discord on your PC, don't worry. This usually happens because of leftover files, permission problems, or antivirus blocking the setup. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, close all Discord processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If Discord or Discord installer is running, select it and click End Task. Step 2, delete leftover Discord folders. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, and press Enter. Delete the Discord folder. Then type %local app data %, and delete the Discord folder there too. Old files often cause installation failure. Step 3, restart your PC. Restarting ensures no locked files remain in the system. Step 4, run installer as administrator. Right-click the Discord installer and choose Run as Administrator. This prevents permission issues during installation. Step 5, temporarily disable antivirus. Security software sometimes blocks installation files. Turn off antivirus briefly, install Discord, then enable it again. Step 6, install Microsoft Visual C++ packages. Missing system components can cause installation errors. Install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Step 7, check Windows updates. Go to Settings, arrow Windows Update, and install any pending updates. Outdated systems can cause compatibility issues. Step 8, download a fresh installer. Delete the old setup file and download the latest version directly from the official Discord website before installing again. Most installation errors happen due to leftover files, permission issues, or blocked installers, and these steps fix it for most users. After this, Discord should install successfully. See you in the next guide.